Microsoft has been selling Surface Pro tablets with essentially the same design since 2015. This time around, the Surface Pro 8 shows up in a redesign. It comes alongside a new Windows 11 experience with less noise and clutter, more creativity and connection. Unearth some hidden surprises in today's Microsoft Surface Pro 8 review. The Surface Pro 8 is definitely one heck of a modern flagship computer and a gorgeous device. It is the most potent Pro Microsoft yet, which combines the power of a laptop with the flexibility of a tablet. The Surface Pro 8 is designed also to enable you to work efficiently, play, and create in ways most natural to you. How soothing! What you probably don't know is that the Surface Pro 8 is virtually a hybrid of the Surface Pro 7 and the Surface Pro X. The Surface Pro 8 combines the best parts of the Pro 7 and the best parts of the Pro X into one truly exceptional device. It combines the form factor and exterior design of the Surface Pro X with the internal Intel-based hardware of the Pro 7. Besides, it has a much larger display and thinner bezels, but the thicker chassis and fan required by the Intel processor remain. That isn't all. Aside from its larger display, the Surface Pro 8 has a higher refresh rate of about 12 Hz. Amazing, isn't it? Find out more about the Pro 8's refresh rate in today's video. The Microsoft Surface Pro 8 is comparable to a laptop despite its small size. The larger screen makes working with multiple windows easier. The display also supports a faster refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, which is common on smartphones, high-end tablets, and the latest Apple MacBook Pro. Surprisingly, Surface Pro 8 comes with an industry-leading kickstand at any angle. The kickstand adjusts nearly 180 degrees, effortlessly allowing you to position the device wherever you're most comfortable. It'll give you all the power, portability, and productivity you'll need to get the most out of Windows 11. According to Microsoft, it's like magic using the Surface Pro 8. Therefore, mark up, edit, or watch a video at whatever angle you need with the iconic kickstand. What matters is that the Pro 8 has the appearance of a sleek, high-quality build, one that is sturdier and more premium than many Windows tablets. In comparison to the Surface Pro 7, it has a more modern, rounded appearance and feels very nice to the touch. When combined with the larger display, the Pro 8 is a more appealing machine from the start. If anything, it appears slimmer, but given the dimensions, we know this must be an illusion. The Surface Pro series set the standard for these types of devices, and while others have followed in its footsteps, the build quality still stands out. To the hidden surprises, Microsoft Surface Pro 8 comes with many specifications. These include a 13-inch LCD with a resolution of 2880 by 1920 and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Intel Core i5 or i7 processor, 11th generation. 128, 256, 512 GB of storage or 1 TB RAM, 8, 16, or 32 GB. Intel Iris Xe graphics. Windows 11 Home Edition. 10 MP rear camera, 5 MP front camera with Windows Hello, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, 2 Thunderbolt, 4 USB 4, headphones, and Surface Connect. With all these amazing specifications the Surface Pro 8 comes with, what must be the price to pay in order to own one? Let's find out. While Microsoft promises you more new life-changing devices, we, on the other hand, promise you more exciting videos and updates on whatever new tech invention. Therefore, if you want to keep up with the recent trends in technology or know the newest device, kindly subscribe to our channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Moving on, another significant improvement is a jump to a peak 120 Hz display refresh rate rather than the standard 60 Hz. Refresh rates above 60 Hz are typically reserved for gaming laptops, but other devices have also adopted higher refresh rates. Whether browsing the internet or scrolling through pages, the display looks smoother when the screen refreshes more frequently, which is a nice feature for a tablet with a large touch screen and a compatible pen. It's worth noting that 60 Hz is the default setting, but you can change it to 120 Hz in the Windows 11 display options. Give us a thumbs up if you think this is a great improvement. The $1,099 Surface Pro 8 is compatible with the new Surface Slim Pen 2, and the screen supports drawing with Windows GPU ink acceleration. The new pen, like Windows 11, uses improved haptics to simulate the feeling of drawing on paper or canvas. Tell us what you think of the Surface Pro 8 in the comments section below. Microsoft's Surface Pro 8 does not reinvent the iconic 2-in-1 device, but it is the most significant update in years with a larger display, a more appealing chassis redesign, and improved performance. Perhaps one of the most unusual drawbacks in the package is that Microsoft no longer includes a keyboard or even a pen. The Surface Pro 8 together with its accessories required to make it functional are costly, proving the adage, "You get what you paid for" wrong. The Surface Pro 8 from Microsoft combines the power of a laptop with the portability of a tablet. A 13 touchscreen and 16 GB RAM allow you to create, relax, and share without missing a beat, while the 120Hz refresh rate ensures that everything on screen feels fluid and responsive. Also, the two 1080p cameras make video conferencing a breeze. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Please stick around to watch our next video on Microsoft Surface Pro 8 versus Lenovo Tab P12 Pro specs, which is better. Thank you for watching today's video, and we'll see you in our next.